Alright, so we're going to be going over the company admin features for the Army Flight Logbook program and how you, as a company admin, can add, create, delete, reset some passwords of the aviators that are in your ATP. Alright, so you know you're a company admin is if you go to your main menu page and you see the admin features right here. So you're going to go ahead and click that button. It will take you to an admin page. Now what this is going to do immediately, it's going to poll all your ATP people, and we'll put them in a list that's in alphabetical. You can see the number of aviators that you have listed by here, the number column, and over here the user access. You have three types of user access. You have the normal user, and that is your everyday, just normal user where he can add flights, delete flights, all of his personal flights. As far as reporting goes, he will only see his stuff. He will not see a company, which brings us to a company user. Company user is just like a normal user, but they get to see company reports. You can check out our company reports video if you need a refresher on what those reports are. All right. The other thing that you can have as a user access is a super user. That's basically your company admin. And the only way to get a company admin slot is you'll have to contact us on the Army Flight Logbook program page. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As you can see over here, the refresh list, that's basically going to refresh the data that's in here with the most up-to-date. As you can see over here, the add aviator is grayed out because if you look down here, we have 10 aviators and we are only authorized 10. So in order to get more aviators, you'd have to purchase the next group of slots that you would like as a company. Or, for example, if one of these people here, if they had PCS'd, that'd be another way. So say, for example, Riley Mills, he has PCS'd. You simply highlight him and you'll notice that an edit user has appeared. So we click the edit user and then we go over here and we can see a lot of things that we can do as an admin. So to start off, you can update the name if it needs updated. The email address, you can update the email address as well. You can change the user access. Like I said, the company admin can only give that user normal user access or company user access. It cannot give a super user access, which is your company admin. Okay, and if you were to update this user, all you would have to do is, say for example, we wanted to make him a company user. You select the company user and you click the update and save, and it tells you that the user's information now has been saved. You hit OK and you see now they are a company user and they will be able to view reports as if they are a company user now. All right, so let's go back to the original item where we wanted to remove him from our ATP. Okay, so we click the edit button and then we go over here and we can click the remove aviator from ATP. Now what this does is it will remove the aviator from your ATP. It does not delete any of his flights or any of his flight logs, any of his information. It just basically gets removed from your company identifier. Now, if this user would like to continue using the Army Flight Logbook program, once he pays for a subscription, he will be able to access all of his flights as if he was part of the company. However, you would not see any of his reports. So let's go ahead and remove him. We click the remove, and it tells you right here a little message: the aviator has been removed from your ATP. If you'd like to add him or her again, you must contact us. All right, so I'm just going to hit OK. And now you'll notice that our quantity authorized is still 10, but now our add new aviator button, we are now able to click it. So in order to add a new aviator, all we have to do is click the add button, and this little drop down will appear. So I'm just going to add a quick email, quick name, and hit the add button. All right, so I added the name and I added the email. I'm going to click the add button. And what this is going to do, it's going to tell us this is going to be the new password. It's going to be WEL and then avlog. And what it does is it takes the last three letters of the last name and then it puts avlog on there. So that will be their temporary password. So now they are able to log into the system for the first time using that password. You hit OK, that menu goes away, And now we see that Wells Thomas is down here. He's a normal user. All right, so say John Walker here has forgot his password. Well, you can give him a new temporary password. Highlight the John Walker, hit the edit user, and then hit the reset user password. Right there, it says the password has been reset to WAL, which is the WAL for Walker, and then avlog. And that is the new temporary password. All right, I think that about sums it up on everything that you can do on the admin page. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email.